want to restore your site to a previous version, go to Manage Backups and then select the backup you wish to restore and click on Restore. Select the file's extraction method. This is usually the default Write Directly to Files. Click to start the restoration. The backup will now be extracted onto the server. Do not leave this page. When that is completed, you will see this screen. Do not close this window and click on the Run the Site Restoration Script button. A new window will open for you to complete the restoration using the Akeeba Backup Site Restoration Script. This is a very simple process. We begin with the required settings. As you can see, they are all set to yes. If any are set to no, you won't be able to proceed and you need to speak to your web host to rectify the errors. We now click Next. If you are restoring to the same database, then you can just click Next. If you are restoring to a new database, then you should enter the details here. Click the button to continue to the next step. We now have the opportunity, if we wish, to change the site name and the website address. In most cases, when you're restoring a site, you won't need to do this. There is also the opportunity to change the password and email address of the super user. Finally, click Next again. We're almost there. Close this window to return to your website. Click on the Finalize Restoration button. You will be logged out, and when you log back in, your site will have been restored to the previous version. Note: restoring on top of your site will not remove any files that were added since the last backup.